In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export chats from Microsoft Teams using an easy method. Exporting chats is quite handy when you want to archive a conversation or perhaps review important details later on without having to scroll through endless chat histories. We'll break the process down into easy to follow steps. First things first, open up Microsoft Teams. It's an app many of us use daily, whether for work, school, or personal communication. Once you have Teams open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface where you'll find your profile picture or initials if you haven't set a profile image. Give that a click. You'll now see a menu that offers several options related to your account. The one we want is My Microsoft Account. Go ahead and click on that, and this will direct you to a separate page dedicated to managing your Microsoft services. Now that you're in your account's management area, look for the option labeled Privacy. This is where you'll find settings and management tools related to your data, giving you control over your personal information and how it's used within the Microsoft ecosystem. With the privacy section open, navigate to the part marked Teams. This specific section holds all the data-related functionalities for Microsoft Teams, where you can manage your preferences regarding what Microsoft can access from your usage of Teams. You'll notice an option that says Submit and Request. This is the pivotal step in the process of exporting your chats. By clicking here, you begin a request to access the chat logs you've had in Teams. It's an organized and safe way to ensure you get the information you need without any unnecessary hassle. Once you've clicked Submit and Request, follow any additional prompts that may appear to complete your request. Typically, Microsoft provides a straightforward process for these requests. Remember to check your email for any follow-up communications from Microsoft. They generally inform you when your chat export is ready or if they require any additional input from you to process the request fully. It's that simple. By following these steps, you ensure that you have a copy of your Microsoft Teams chats archived and ready for your review whenever you need it. Although Microsoft's system might take a short while to process your request, rest assured that this method is secure and efficient. And there you have it, a straightforward method to export your Microsoft Teams chats with ease. We've walked through the steps needed to access your chat history, ensuring you can store and review your important discussions whenever required. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide makes your Microsoft Teams experience even more versatile and useful.